Good evening, guys. Today we are going to expose AVAX flash loan arbitrage. One of my subscribers sent me message to just have a look, and surprisingly, this method is very much similar to Binance Smart Chain flash loan arbitrage, which was a scam. So this is again an scam. The methodology remains same. The technique remain almost same. So let's start. I'm not going to play this video. I'll just copy paste the link in the description if you're interested to see the actual view of the scammer, so that you can stay away. You can see here this guy has posted this video today, 10 views, and it was posted today. So we'll move forward and find a smart contract. All the details are given. You can see here everything is mentioned, all the steps are mentioned, but the difference is here he's using AVAX instead of BNB. So we will just evaluate the smart contract. As I mentioned in my video, in my earlier videos, you need to look at all the imports. So you can see here we have Control F, and we can see here there are 6 imports are happening right now, and I've checked all of them. So this is the one where we have a problem, IPFS. So we will find out what is inside the IPFS. Search 0F, Control F, 0x. So we can find there are 3 results of 0x. One is this, one is this, and one is this. So effectively is a one address. We will, okay, so you can see this probably is same returning to this address. We will try to find out what is happening in this one. This is AVAX Explorer for C-chain. So internal transactions. So guys, you can see here within 16 hours, this guy managed to scam one person, and he managed to get 1.6 AVAX. So you can see here its address is 3465 is the scammer address, which is mentioned in the smart contract, and it came from this address. We will evaluate this address. The sender, again, the sender created a contract which is very much similar to Binance Smart Chain creation of a contract, and the funds are moving 1.6. It has moved to again the scammer address, which is mentioned in smart contract 3465, hence proof. But interestingly, I find something else. So you can see, guys, within 9-10 views, he managed to scam one person. If this video goes viral, or somehow, many people get scammed. Let's find out on Binance Smart Chain the same address. Okay, so you can see here again, guys. So there is an outflow of around 12 transactions. So definitely he have received 15 transactions, more or less. They look like 3 to 4 BNB have been scammed to around 14 to 15 people. So you can see, guys, this is a complete pattern of all flash loan scams. I don't think so. We need to try to get greedy and apply this flash loan to gain from 10x or 20x. I strictly believe that you can make a lot of money on spot market or even future and options. So anyways, I hope you like this video. Share with your friends so they can stay safe, and like this video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.